Virtual jury duty. An unusual topic, but one that's gaining attention in the digital age. Did you know you can turn your civic duty into a money-making opportunity? Stay tuned as we uncover 10 lucrative ways you can make money while serving on virtual juries. 1. Participate in online mock trials. Legal firms and organizations often conduct online mock trials to prepare for real cases. Signing up as a juror for these mock trials not only hones your understanding of legal processes but also pays you for your valuable input. 2. Jury consulting services. Offer your expertise as a virtual juror to legal consultants. Attorneys often seek feedback on their cases from experienced jurors to prepare for trial. Your insights can be incredibly valuable and compensated. 3. Become a professional juror. Some platforms connect attorneys with professional jurors who can provide expert opinions on cases. These platforms compensate you for your time and expertise in evaluating legal arguments and evidence. 4. Online dispute resolution platforms. Join online platforms that specialize in resolving disputes through virtual juries. These platforms handle various cases, from small claims to business disputes. As a virtual juror, you contribute to fair resolutions and receive payment for your services. 5. Legal research and analysis. Offer your services as a virtual juror to assist legal professionals in research and case analysis. Your ability to review evidence critically and provide detailed insights can be a valuable asset to lawyers preparing for trial. 6. Expert witness review. Participate in cases that involve expert witnesses. Your role as a virtual juror would be to assess the credibility and effectiveness of expert testimonies. Your evaluations contribute significantly to the case strategy. 7. Court simulation platforms. Some online platforms simulate court proceedings for educational purposes. As a virtual juror, you engage in these simulations, offering feedback to aspiring lawyers. You get paid for your time and expertise in guiding the future legal minds. 8. Legal focus groups. Participate in online focus groups organized by law firms. Your role is to provide feedback on legal strategies, arguments, and case presentations. Your insights help attorneys refine their approaches and earn you a fee for your participation. 9. Collaborate with legal tech companies. Tech companies working on legal software and tools often seek feedback from experienced jurors to improve their products. By partnering with these companies, you can provide valuable input and get compensated for your contributions. 10. Write about your jury experience. Share your virtual jury duty experiences through blogs, articles, or books. Many people are curious about the behind the scenes of legal proceedings. Your insights can be both informative and entertaining, and you can monetize your writings through various platforms. It's incredible how technology has opened up new avenues for legal enthusiasts to contribute their expertise and get compensated for it. Remote customer service. 10 effective techniques you can turn your communication skills into a profitable career from the comfort of your home. With the rise of online businesses, the demand for remote customer service representatives has never been higher. Whether you're experienced in customer service or just getting started, these strategies can help you monetize your talents. 1. Virtual call centers. Many companies outsource their customer service operations to virtual call centers. You can join these centers as a remote customer service agent, handling inbound calls, assisting customers, and resolving issues. Virtual call center jobs offer steady income and flexible hours. 2. Live chat support. Businesses rely on live chat support to assist customers in real time on their websites. As a live chat agent, you can provide instant help, answer inquiries, and guide customers through the buying process. Live chat support jobs often allow you to work remotely and interact with customers from various locations. 3. Social media customer support. Companies engage with customers on social media platforms like Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. Social media customer support agents respond to queries, resolve complaints, and maintain a positive brand image. This role allows you to work remotely and connect with customers through social media channels. 4. Email support. Email support representatives handle customer inquiries and concerns via email. You can work remotely for companies providing email support services. Excellent written communication skills are crucial for this role, making it a great option for those who excel in written communication. 5. Technical support. Technical support agents assist customers with technical issues related to products or services. If you have a background in technology, you can provide remote technical support to customers, troubleshooting problems and guiding them through solutions. Technical support roles often offer competitive salaries for remote workers. 6. Customer service training. If you have extensive customer service experience, consider offering training and consulting services to businesses. Develop online courses or conduct virtual training sessions to enhance the customer service skills of employees. Training programs are in demand, and you can monetize your expertise in customer service. 7. Multilingual customer support. If you're fluent in multiple languages, there's a high demand for multilingual customer support representatives. Many international companies seek remote customer service agents who can assist customers in different languages. Being multilingual can open doors to remote customer service opportunities. 8. Customer feedback analysis. Analyzing customer feedback is essential for businesses. Offer services where you analyze customer feedback data, identify trends, and provide actionable insights to businesses. Your analysis can help companies enhance their customer service strategies, and you can charge for your analytical services. 9. Remote quality assurance. Quality assurance professionals ensure that customer service interactions meet company standards. Remote quality assurance roles involve evaluating customer interactions, providing feedback, and ensuring excellent service delivery. Businesses value remote QA specialists who maintain service quality. 10. Freelance customer service. Platforms like Upwork and Freelancer offer freelance customer service opportunities. You can bid on customer service projects, provide services to clients, and build your reputation as a freelance customer service professional. Freelancing allows you to choose your projects and work remotely on a flexible schedule. Whether you prefer speaking on the phone, chatting online, or providing support via email, there's a remote customer service opportunity for you. Remote sales. 10 successful approaches you can turn your persuasive skills into a profitable venture, all from the comfort of your home. With the rise of e-commerce and digital products, remote sales opportunities are abundant. Whether you're a seasoned sales professional or just starting out, these strategies can help you monetize your talents. 1. E-commerce store owner. Start your own online store selling products through platforms like Shopify or Etsy. With dropshipping or print-on-demand services, you can sell a variety of items without handling inventory. Invest in marketing and customer service to boost your sales and revenue. 2. Affiliate marketing. Partner with companies and promote their products or services. Earn commissions for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. Identify products or services you're passionate about and create engaging content to attract potential buyers. Affiliate marketing is a fantastic way to earn passive income remotely. 3. Digital product sales. Create and sell digital products like ebooks, online courses, or digital art. Use platforms like Gumroad or Teachable to host your products. Invest time in marketing and creating high-quality content to attract customers interested in your digital offerings. 4. Remote sales consultant. Offer your expertise as a sales consultant to businesses looking to improve their sales strategies. Provide insights, conduct sales training sessions, and help businesses optimize their sales processes. Your knowledge can significantly impact their revenue, earning you a consulting fee. 5. Social media sales. Leverage social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook to sell products. Build a following and showcase your products or services through visually appealing posts. Social media sales allow you to directly engage with potential customers and drive sales through your online presence. 6. Dropshipping business. Start a dropshipping business where you sell products to customers without stocking inventory. When a customer makes a purchase, the product is shipped directly from the supplier to the customer. Focus on marketing, customer service, and building a reliable supplier network to succeed in dropshipping. 7. Remote sales for SaaS companies. Join software as a service, SaaS, companies as a remote sales representative. Sell subscription-based software solutions to businesses. Remote sales roles in the tech industry often come with competitive commissions and bonuses based on sales performance. 8. Online auctions and marketplaces. Sell rare or valuable items through online auctions or marketplaces like eBay. Thrift for unique items, refurbish them if necessary, and sell them to interested buyers. Online auctions can be a lucrative venture for those with an eye for valuable items. 9. Sales funnel creation. Offer sales funnel creation services to businesses and entrepreneurs. Design effective sales funnels that lead potential customers from awareness to purchase. A well-optimized sales funnel can significantly increase conversion rates, making your services invaluable. 10. Remote sales training. Develop and sell online sales training courses. Share your sales expertise, techniques, and strategies with aspiring sales professionals. Many individuals and businesses are willing to invest in high-quality sales training programs to improve their team's performance. Creating and selling these courses can generate passive income. Remember, building relationships, understanding customer needs, and effective communication are the keys to successful sales, regardless of the method you choose.